Hey everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to solve a new question, which is score of parentheses. Okay, so in this question, we are given three rules that how we can calculate the score of parentheses, which we are given. Like the first rule is that if we are given an opening bracket as well as closing bracket together, then this will be calculated as a score of 1. Okay. The second rule says that if AB is in concatenation, so AB has score A plus B, where A and B are balanced parenthesis strings. Okay, so like if we were given, this is an example, this is 1, this is also 1. So we can consider this as A and B, right? AB. So like AB. This will be calculated as A plus B. So we can calculate this as 1 plus 1. This will give the answer as 2, right? Okay. So the third and the last rule says that if we have a number like A, this will become 2 into A. Like if we have 3 here, then this will get as we will get 6 as an answer. Like we can take an example. If you can see here, like this is the given string, parenthesis string. What we can do is this will give answer as 1, right? And we have one more parenthesis. So according to the third rule, what we will get, this will be calculated as twice of the number, which is 1. So we will get 2, right? 2 will be the answer of this string. So I hope you're clear with the rules. The first rule says that if we have opening and close brackets one by one, so what we will have their score as, we will have 1. If A and B are as in concatenation with each other, then we can calculate them as A plus B. Third rule says that if we have some number in the opening and the close parenthesis between them, then that number will get twice and will give the answer twice of it. So these were the three rules. So let's take an example. Okay. Okay. So let's take this example, right? What we have, let's simplify this equation. This will give 1 because opening and close brackets are here. So we can have 1 here, then close parenthesis, right? Then we have, this will give 1, right? Okay. Then this parenthesis came. This will give 1. Okay. Right. Then this comes. Then this one. Right. How we can simplify this is, we will have, according to the third rule, if there is a number between the two brackets, opening and close brackets, then we will have twice of that number. So we will get 2 here and we will get 1. This is also according to the third rule I've told you. If we have a number between two brackets, then this number will get twice of it. So we will get 2 here, right? And then the close bracket. According to the second rule, what we had is A, B are given like this. Then we can simplify them as addition of the 2, like 1 plus 2. So we will have 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3, right? So, according to the third rule, what will this do? This will make 3 as 6 because 3 is between opening and close brackets, and according to rule number 3, like this will give twice of A, right? So we will have 2 and 6, right? According to the second rule, if we had A, B, then this will give A plus B. So we will have 2 plus 6 as 12. Oh, sorry. 2 plus है 2 plus 6 as 8, right? This will be our answer. So I hope this is how we will simplify and this is clear to you. Let's see how we can do this with the help of a stack. How we can implement this using a stack. So if we have an equation this, then right, if this is the given equation, then what will we do? We will have, if we get the opening bracket, then we will push into the stack, right? Then if we have a closing bracket, we will pop out from the stack. Okay. So in the stack, when we have these parentheses as characters, also we can evaluate them as integers, right? But so many integers can't be evaluated. We want a flag value like negative flag value or 0. So we can take, if an opening bracket will come, we will take it as -1, right? So what we will do, first simplify it in the simple way, not by taking the values. We will have, this will come, okay, then this will come, okay, this will come, pop this out and we will have a value 1, right? We have 1 now. Then this opening bracket came, right? Then this opening bracket came, then this closing bracket come, erase it, and we will have 1, right? Yeah. Then this came. What will this give? According to the third rule, this will make twice of its value. So we will have 2, right? Okay. So we had 2 here. Now we have the closing bracket. Okay. So we have, according to the second rule, first, let's simplify this one. According to the second rule, what we had, if we have A and B here, we will do A plus B, sum of the both. So here we will get 3, right? Then this bracket came. According to the third rule, this will give 6 as an answer because this will be twice of its value, right? So we will have 6. This will be our required answer. So coming to its implementation, what will we have? If we have opening bracket, what we will do? Push. If we have closing bracket, pop it out, right? Okay, right. Let's do it. Make a stack of values. This will have, if we have an opening bracket, this will take -1 as a value, right? Make a stack. First, the opening bracket came, so we will have -1. Push it into the stack, right? Then the opening bracket came, make it -1. Then the closing bracket came. Check the condition if the opening bracket is there, make it value as 1 because of the first rule, right? Pop it out, make it 1. Pop this out as well, make it 1, right? Then opening bracket came. Opening bracket -1 will be pushed into the stack. Then we have opening bracket, one more. So -1. Then we have a closing bracket. Now check if the opening bracket is there, pop it out and insert 1 into it, right? Pop -1 and insert 1 into it. Then we have the closing bracket. Okay. Now we have the closing bracket. What will this give? According to the third rule, we will have twice of its value, right? Make it 2. Okay. Now pop 1 and -1 from here also. Make it 2. Now, according to the second rule, what did this 1 and 2 give? We have A and B right after each other. We will do their sum. So we will have 3 here. Pop 1 and 2 from the stack. Make it 3. Lastly, we have, make it 3, right? Lastly, what we have a closing bracket. So according to the third rule, what we had, this will give twice of its value. So we will have 6, right? Okay. So we had 6 as an answer. Okay. So we got the answer. This is how we were pushing and popping the elements into the stack. And if we don't have any like outermost brackets, then how we will do? If we don't have the outermost brackets, right? Clear them off. Okay. We will have -1 for the opening bracket. Close bracket came, pop it out and we'll have 1, right? Then opening bracket came, -1, right? Then closing bracket came, pop it out and we'll have 1 here also. So these together will give A, B together will give their sum. So we will have 2 here, right? So we got the answer of this condition also. So I hope this concept of stack is clear to you. So let's code it now. So we are given the function to calculate score of parentheses, right? What we can do, we will make a stack of string, give it a name as st, I equals to 0. We will take an answer variable, initialize at 0. Then we'll start with the while loop while I is less than string.length. Then we'll do some work. What we will do, we'll check a condition if s of I equals to opening brackets, right? Then we will push the opening bracket. Push the opening bracket. Okay. Our next step would be else. What we will do if tag dot top equals to opening bracket, then we will pop it out and we will push one to it, right? Okay, so if condition is completed, we come to else. We will take a variable count equal and initialize it to 0, right? Next, we'll check the condition while st.top not equals to 0, not equals to opening bracket. Then what we will do? We will increase the count by st.top, right? Then we will pop that element out. Okay. So done with the while condition and we will pop that element out. Next we will push to string with twice the count, right? Then we will increase the value of I. At last, we will put one more condition while our stack is not empty. What we will do, we will update our answer by st.top and we will pop that element out, or pop that parenthesis out. Okay, pop that parenthesis out. Next, we will return answer. Let's run this code and see if it's correct or not. Okay, to string. Yeah, so we have let's run this code and see now. Okay, let's submit this code. Okay, all test cases passed. So I hope I was clear with the concept and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.